Hey guys, Connie and Natalie here with Thistles and Coos, and we are just coming to you today because we really want to share our knowledge, and we want to serve you guys as our community and as followers of our blog, both deaf, hard of hearing, and the hearing community. So in that, we got to thinking, we're like, hey, we have such a wealth of knowledge between the two of us and we get asked all the time about sign language classes. So we're going to throw it out there, probably after the first of the year. We're going to start doing an online sign language class. We kind of like the idea because obviously we enjoy traveling, maybe doing some travel vocabulary for those of you that want to learn sign language. We also have friends in various countries. We have friends that know various sign languages that we can also bring in, potentially that you could then learn a foreign sign language, which I think is pretty exciting because then that opens you up to multitudes of people, and that's not just for hearing people, but that would also be for deaf individuals, that you could learn a foreign language, a foreign sign language. So be on the watch out for that because that's going to start probably mid-January is what we're thinking. So we're going to be developing that, but deadline. So we need you to sign up for this. So we will be getting ready to throw out an email and a little link for you to sign up to take the class, because we're only going to take a certain number. So this isn't going to just be for anybody and everybody, but we will have a limited number of students because we want you to have our best. And we want to serve you to ensure that you're getting your needs met, and it's not just another one of those classes that you just don't learn anything. And I don't want to throw rocks at anybody, but I'm going to kind of throw a rock at people. And those classes that you get in there and you're like, oh great, I learned coffee, which coffee is an important word, but I can spell my name. Ooh, sign language. Okay, so we actually want to give you some tools that you'll be able to interact with. Not fluent, because it's a language and it takes more than just one class, but you at least will be able to introduce yourself and have a basic, and I say basic understanding, okay, of sign language. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So just be on the lookout for that sign language class. But again, it will be limited. It will not just be open to for very long, and it'll be a select number of who we're going to let into this class. So that will be coming very, very soon. So watch for that, and I'm going to quit talking about it, and have a great rest of your day. See you later. Oh, wait. I said that, and I've got to add. Like us, follow us, subscribe, email, www.thistleandcoos.com. The sign language class is also going to be up on our Facebook page as well as in the travel community. So join both of those so that you don't miss the deadline or you don't miss the opportunity, because it's going to be just a select few people that'll be in it this first time. And we'll kind of see how that goes, and we'll go from there. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Natalie says bye too. Bye.